How to redeem a code on battle.net. Are you guys ready to redeem code on battle.net application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To redeem a code on battle.net, first of all, open the app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on battle.net application, then make sure to check out our guide on how to create an account on it. Once you get logged in into your account, just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon over here. Tap on a profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see multiple options available at this section. Just simply look at the section where you can see this option for redeem code over here. Tap on redeem code. After you click on redeem code, you will be forwarded to this interface. In this interface, you will be able to see this option to write down your unique code over here. Just simply write down your code. After you write down your code, if your code is valid, then the code will be activated. Just simply tap on redeem code and your code will be activated. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to redeem a code on battle.net. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.